This is where it starts to get confusing with escrow because there's two different things with escrow. And I did actually, I was going to say I should have put it on there twice. I did actually put it on there twice. So we've got your escrow. Okay. So in California and other states, there's numerous states that are escrow states. There's other states that are attorney states. And there are some states that are just title states. At the end of the day, you always have a neutral third party, depending on where you live, that is working for you. So you've got your attorney working with title. You've got the title company taking instruction. You've got an escrow company taking instruction. I did an entire show with Jennifer Davidson on the YouTube channel that you can go back and you can watch. So look for a show that was from, I would say, early December. And it was with Jennifer Davidson, and it explains all about what escrow is, what's the function of escrow, and what do they do. But basically, they are the neutral third party that is taking instruction from everybody and making sure that all of the details of the contract are being adhered to. So everything that was agreed upon is what's getting adhered to at this point in time. They take your money, they hold your money, in a neutral third party place. They can't give it back to you without getting the seller's permission. The seller can't demand it without getting your permission. So escrow is a really great thing to have, but that gets really confusing when you also start talking to your loan officer about your monthly payment and your escrows. So it's totally two different things. In your monthly payment, you have an option to impound your taxes and insurance. You also have an option to not impound your property taxes and insurance. And it does depend on the loan program. So a VA loan, an FHA loan, most government loans are going to require you to be impounded, which means that you will have escrow as part of your monthly payment. And this has nothing to do with the escrow company that we just talked about.